So I've been rebuilding heads this week. Found that I did not have the correct valve spring compressor for this deep well style spring. So this is what I came up with first. Just a little piece of PVC pipe with a slot cut into it and a little T on top. This works great for taking the little shims out, but when you're trying to put them back in, you really need some time to get both of the little shims back into the valve. So I came up with this. It's just a piece of PVC pipe here with a slot cut into it. And then I just have my little 8-inch drill press here. And this thing works so good. Just set the head on. I have a brick with a 2x4 on it. And then I have a little piece of jean covering up the metal on this because I don't want to scratch the bottom surface of the head. And the 2x4, that's soft enough where it's not going to hurt this aluminum here. So I'm just going to put my valve in, help this process go a little easier. As I put both shims in, like so. And then I set this down with the shims on. I just line this thing up. This goes back. Go all the way down. Come back up. And there it is. It's all seated. The shims are both in. So a lot of times they will just go in like that. If not, I just get a little screwdriver, mess with them until they fall in. And that's, gosh, it's just as simple as that. This little 8-inch drill press here works so good as just a regular press. It's just amazing. If this video was helpful, be sure to leave a like, subscribe if you want to see more. Thanks for watching.